How to add payment method in Google Play Store. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you on how you can add payment method in Google Play Store. So without further ado, let's get started. First, let me open the Play Store app. And then click to your profile on the top right corner. As you can see right here, you can see the payments and subscriptions. You can click this. And here you want to click the payment methods. As you can see, I already have a payment methods on the top. I just cover it for my privacy. But if you want to add payment method, there's a lot of options right here. We have the add Globe Telecom billing, add credit or debit card, add PayPal, add GCash, or the PayMaya. Or you can click this more payment settings if you want to. Example, I'm gonna click the PayPal. And here you wanna fill up, place your email address, your PayPal account. And that's how to add payment method in Google Play Store. I hope the video was really helpful and it did help you. Make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial. See you soon in the next video.